Alrighty, fellers. Well, I'm back here at the office, my bedroom, where I edit all my videos. I just got back. I drove the Duster and the Dart out to my good friend Thomas's house. He was about a mile outside of town, and he's got a perfect little concrete pad. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be, but he said I could come out there and I could do burnouts or yard farm whenever I want. So I was like, sweet. I took him up on that since I got called out by Classic Mustangs 429, Floyd's Mayhem Garage, and Beamer & Son Garage, and I'm sure there was some other people out there who called me out. So I figured, well, screw it. Those are the cars that we can do burnouts in right now, because the satellite still has the electrical issues, and I do not want a chance catching that dash on fire with the electrical problems it has. And Jezebel has her header tubes are actually broken from when it hit on the trailer going to get the cage done. So the header tube, if God forbid any cold air got on those valves when it was running, you kiss it goodbye. And the rear end has no break-in miles on it yet, and I'm not chancing none of that. So those two cars are out, and those are the two cars I know will do epic burnouts right here. See, I told you those two cars to do epic burnouts. So I took the Dart and the Duster out there, and the plan was we'll do whatever we can to make those two cars do burnouts. So hand Thomas the camera, and the Duster did a pretty decent little burnout. And you're probably wondering, why isn't he showing us these? Well, the cold weather got to the damn GoPros again. And everything we shot, I got audio, but I have no video. And this happened for another video that you'll see in the future with Chris Birdsong from Chunker Up. And so the Duster was extremely weak. I mean, it was just pathetically weak, but it did spin the tires. Didn't create a whole lot of smoke, but it left a lot of dust on the ground, tire dust. So I'm like, cool, that was lame, but we'll go get the Dart. We're going to make the Dart do a burnout. And it was funny. So I come back to the house. I grab the Dart, warm it up, take it down to the gas station, put some fresh gas in it, cruise out to Thomas's place, and the whole time it's running out there, it's kind of hitting and missing. And I still got a lot of work doing the carburetor and time and all this other crap, but get out there, and of course, it's got a single pot master with 4-wheel drums, big drums in the back, small drums in the front, 727, 8 3/4, so that little 273 has got a lot going against it. And so we get it on the pad, we put down some pimp juice, which is Dawn dish soap and water, and it won't even begin to spin the back tires because the brakes work too good. That's my excuse. I'm sticking to it. So we're like, screw it. So Thomas grabs out a giant strap, and we strap the Dart to a tree, a big freaking tree. And we get that all done, and then it won't even spin the tires because the engine doesn't make enough torque to spin the back tires. So I was like, screw it. So I revved that thing up about $4,000. Neutral drop, bam, wah, and both tires just go up, and it was amazing. And me thinking, I better shift this thing into second gear so that way I don't over rev it, even though it's got a rev limiter. I pop it into second gear, and that's when everything went wrong. It just bogged down and instantly died. And it's all in the carburetor, I know that much. We did this like 3 or 4 more times, and we got to do it one more time, but I don't know what to say about the GoPros. I don't know. Like, we're on my phone right now. You're clipped to my computer. I think I'm just about done with these things with the cold weather. Might just start filming with my phone because, well, as far as this burnout challenge goes, I did it. We can't see it, but we can hear it. Of course, I don't even know if they'll play in the editor. Once I put them in the editor, they might break altogether. So we're just gonna have to live with all of our old burnout footage. It's gonna have to do. I'm sorry, but next year we got a lot more stuff coming. We're gonna get Jezebel's rear end broken. I gotta buy some expensive headers for her because there's no fixing those headers. There's no fixing them. So we're gonna get new headers for her. Get that rear end broken. We're gonna fix the satellite. We're gonna put the wiring harness in it because the engine still runs damn good. We're gonna 4-speed swap the Dart and probably, honestly, maybe do something else with the engine. Maybe replace it, put something in there with a little more torque. I don't know. I love my 273, but it don't make the torque it needs to. And as far as the Duster, just to let you guys know, I'm actually leaving next weekend with a friend of mine who brought me some parts for the Duster, and we're gonna go pick up a new engine for the Duster. So stay tuned for that. And I apologize, guys. It sucks. Like, thank you, Thomas, though, by the way, for all your work today. Could have done without you, man, literally. Because where the town I live in, if you guys don't know, the police force here they take their job very seriously. And I even got a ticket for spinning my tires in a funeral procession. And now that got overturned, but still the fact that I can't go around town doing burnouts. There's really no place safe to do it around here. It really isn't. And I can hear people now, well, why don't you move? Well, that's expensive. So, but anyways, regardless, I'm sorry, guys. I know it's disappointing. Don't look too much in the background. It's a mess. But yeah, I'm very disappointed in both my A-bodies for the lack of burnoutage. And I'm even more disappointed that even the lame burnouts we did didn't even work. Can't show it. So I hope the Jezebel, satellite, whatever burnouts I can dig up out of my archive is good enough, sufficient. But anyways, guys, sorry. I know this is boring, but I look forward to seeing you guys the next time. And take care. Bye-bye.